Hey guys, and in this video, let's take a closer look at Sleeve plus Lanyard, which is an official accessory for the GoPro Hero 9 Black. This accessory is more or less designed for casual users of GoPro because thanks to that you can use your camera in a more traditional way, like a regular point-and-shoot camera. So thanks to that, it's quite convenient to just grab a photo, a couple of selfies, maybe record a quick video with your family and then just hang it around your neck or hide in your pocket. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's take a look what's inside. Alright guys, so this is how this accessory basically looks like, and as you guys can see, there is a silicone sleeve and a lanyard. With this accessory you can personalize your camera because you can choose from a variety of colors. In this case I chose blue, but as of today you can still find a black and white version of this accessory on a GoPro website in any local store. And I'm pretty sure that in the future GoPro gonna introduce some different colors for this accessory. Alright, so now let's put our GoPro Hero 9 Black inside of the sleeve plus lanyard and see how it looks like. Alright guys, so this is how this accessory looks like when it's mounted on the GoPro Hero 9 Black, and as you can notice, it gives you some extra bit of protection all around your body, leaving only the front LCD and the back LCD exposed in case of an impact or when you scratch your camera, then this area is gonna be fragile. So I really strongly suggest for you to get some protective glass just to make sure that you will not scratch these elements. It's also a nice addition to have that your lens is still protected around it with the silicone, even though the GoPro Hero 9 Black lens is user replaceable, but it's still nice to have it. Other than that, it gives a fair amount of protection from scratches in case you accidentally hit something or drop your camera. Now with the latest Sleeve plus Lanyard, you have this removable clip, so in case you don't need that lanyard anymore, you can always remove it. There you go. And now if you take a closer look at the bottom of this accessory, you will notice that you still have clear access to the folding fingers that are at the bottom. So you can still mount your GoPro Hero 9 Black to your GoPro accessories without having to remove the sleeve, so it can stay on. And now let's take a closer look at the lanyard that's attached to our sleeve. Notice that you can always adjust it yourself, so in case you need some more space you can always loosen up a little bit or maybe make it tighter, depends what you want to do with it. Please notice also that you can wrap it around your wrist, and this way you're not gonna drop your camera in case you accidentally let go of it, or you can wrap it around your neck, and this way you can use it as a traditional point-and-shoot camera when you're just hanging out with your family and you're not sure even if you are gonna use your GoPro anyway. So you can have it and just forget it's even there. Now notice that on the side of our camera we still have access to the mode button to turn on our camera and cycle between the modes, as well as on the top of our camera we still have access to the record button. We also have a clear access to the touch screen, so if you want to change between the modes or maybe change the settings, there are no problems with it. Now as you see guys, there are some openings for the speakers and microphones, and you're probably wondering if the audio is affected in a way, so let's listen to a brief comparison with having the sleeve on and without. Alright, so let's quickly test it out. Right now you're listening to the audio that's coming straight from the GoPro Hero 9 Black while it's being mounted in sleeve plus lanyard. Once again, right now you're listening to the audio from the GoPro Hero 9 Black while being in sleeve plus lanyard. How does it sound? And right now you're listening to the audio that's coming straight from the GoPro Hero 9 Black. How does it sound? Once again, you're listening to the audio that's coming straight from the camera. There is no sleeve plus lanyard attached. Now guys, please take a closer look that this accessory is quite similar to the older version that's designed for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So when you're going to order your sleeve plus lanyard, just please make sure that you order the one that's compatible with the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So this accessory is very good if you want to casually use your GoPro as a traditional point and shoot camera. However, I would not suggest it to use it for extreme sports and other activities which gonna put your camera in harm's way. It's gonna give you a little bit of protection, but I think there are better options to give you the ultimate protection for your camera. So guys, you can get this accessory for around $20, and if you decide to get it on a GoPro website with a GoPro Plus subscription, you can get it as low as 13 bucks. So I think it's worth it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you learned something from it. As always guys, I would like to ask you for subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification icon, give me a thumb up, and see you guys in the next one.